Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The usual margarita tequila recipe simply replaces the tequila with an equal amount of vodka. The other ingredients remain the same. So if you're simply out of tequila and want to use vodka instead, follow a regular margarita recipe of lime juice, agave syrup and an orange liqueur, and add vodka.
Let's help you make your mark.
If tequila is your jam but you don't love the super sweet flavor of a margarita, you'll love its distant cousin, the Paloma. Our recipe uses sparkling grapefruit soda and freshly squeezed lime juice to create a refreshing, tropical drink. Perfect for a hot summer day, just like our other favorite summery tequila drinks.
Take our lead.
Tequila, cactus juice or nectar. Triple sec, orange juice concentrate, orange juice, orange zest or orange marmalade. Vermouth, dry, white grape juice, white wine vinegar, or non-alcoholic white wine. Vermouth, sweet, apple juice, grape juice, balsamic vinegar, non-alcoholic sweet wine, or water with lemon juice.
Let's help you make your mark.
Rice wine vinegar may work well as a substitute in Asian food. Tequila, in a southwestern type of a marinade, cactus juice or nectar. If I'm making a recipe that calls for a small bit of tequila, I sometimes use a squirt or two of lime, instead.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.